If you want to have the perfect audio level on your video and you want to know how to do it, I'm gonna show you how I do it on my videos. Let's first record a voiceover. Welcome to this video. Once you have the recording down here, you can grab the edges to shorten it, of course, and bring it into position. If you grab this edge right here and put it downwards, you can increase the size of this audio to adjust it more easily. To adjust the audio level, just grab this white line inside of your audio recording, pull it downwards to lower the volume and upwards to increase the volume. If you have the Pro version of CapCut, of course you can also normalize the audio level right here and also reduce the noise. But if you don't have, it's no problem. On the peaks of this audio you can see yellow or orange markings. This means the audio level is too high. So we are going to aim slightly lower than that. It means we are going upwards with the audio level until we reach this yellow markings. Then we go a little bit lower and that's the perfect spot, at least from my experience. Welcome to this video.